Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix a Chrome sync is pause problem. So if you already sign in into your Google account on Chrome, but then when you try to open it again, you can see there will be this pause titles at the top that show you that the sync on your Google account with Chrome is paused. So how you can fix it? You can just re-sign in. You can see that this my Google account is apparently logging out. I don't know why. And you can try to fix the pause by sign in again. So what you need to do is just click on the sign in again button. Now you can just add your emails and tap on next. Here you can enter your password again. Then click on next again. And here, now the post is gone and the sync is back on. So that's pretty easy, right? I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.